I thought a weekend indoor barbecue would be brilliant until my entire apartment smelled like charred meat for a week. I bought every air freshener on the shelf, only to find most just mask the odor with cheap perfume, giving me a massive headache instead of a fresh living room. Finding one that actually eliminates heavy cooking and grilling smells without overwhelming your space is shockingly difficult. Well, I spent the last month testing the most popular options so you don't have to. Here is the definitive countdown to the only odor eliminators you'll ever need. 5. Enviroscent B09RGLZTCQ. You know, on paper, this sounds like the absolute perfect solution for anyone trying to avoid harsh chemicals inside their home. It uses liquidless scent sticks made from paper and infused with essential oils, which really appealed to me when I first brought it into my living room. The idea of not having messy oils spilling everywhere or heavy aerosol clouds spraying into the air I breathe is definitely a massive selling point for a clean home environment. Setting it up was incredibly straightforward and completely foolproof. You simply pop the infused paper sticks into the little reusable wooden stand and set it on a table or shelf. Initially, the lemon leaf and thyme scent was really pleasant and inviting. It has this earthy, clean aroma that doesn't punch you in the face the second you walk into the room. For a small bathroom or a tiny enclosed office, it does provide a nice background fragrance that feels highly natural, light, and perfectly safe around the family. But here is where my experience started going downhill pretty fast. If you are trying to tackle serious smells like lingering indoor grill smoke, last night's seafood, or heavy pet odors, this just does not have the horsepower to get the job done. The scent thright is remarkably weak in practice. I placed this near my kitchen island, and unless I was standing directly over the wooden stand, I honestly couldn't smell a thing. It simply isn't engineered for open concept spaces or moderate odor neutralization when things get messy. To make matters worse, the longevity completely failed my testing expectations. The brand claims these liquidless sticks last for weeks on end, but I noticed a severe drop-off in the fragrance potency after just 5 days. Air Wick B07QLQ3QP4. These little plugins are absolutely everywhere, and I completely understand why people naturally gravitate toward them in the cleaning aisle. They are highly accessible, they plug right into your wall without taking up counter space, and they promise continuous fragrance for up to 60 days per refill. I plugged a few of these around my hallway and near my kitchen to see if they could constantly fight off daily household cooking smells. The convenience factor is undeniably high with this system. Once you click the little glass oil bottle into the plastic warmer unit and plug it into any standard outlet, you can adjust the dial on the top to directly control the scent intensity. I really appreciate that flexibility, because sometimes you just want a subtle hint of lavender, and other times you need to crank it to maximum to cover up a major culinary disaster. When the system works, the scent does spread quite nicely throughout a medium-sized living space. However, my extended testing revealed some glaring issues that I just can't overlook if you want a premium home experience. Let's talk about the scent profile itself. While the label proudly says lavender and chamomile, there is a distinctly sharp, synthetic undertone to the fragrance that hangs heavy in the air. When I had it turned up to the higher settings, it didn't smell like a relaxing day at the spa. It smelled like cheap public restroom soap. It aggressively masks odors by overpowering your senses rather than actually neutralizing the bad smells underneath. Furthermore, the hardware itself proved to be surprisingly unreliable during my month of testing. Out of the 3 warmers I purchased for this evaluation, one completely stopped heating the oil after just a week, leaving a full bottle sitting there, essentially useless. 3. Bright Air B078HNBF1H. This represents a completely different approach to freshening your home, moving entirely away from sprays and heated plugins to a solid gel format. I was genuinely curious about this one because it looks completely unassuming, just a ventilated plastic tub filled with a bright blue gel. I decided to tuck one away behind the guest bathroom toilet and another near the damp laundry room to put its continuous odor-fighting claims to the ultimate test. What I immediately loved about the Bright Air is how incredibly low maintenance and hassle-free it is to use. You just peel off the protective foil seal, pop the vented lid back on and literally forget about it for weeks. There are no expensive batteries to change, no power cords to plug in, and no smart buttons to press. It silently sits in the corner, pulling bad odors out of the air, while releasing a steady, clean fragrance. The cool and clean scent is genuinely fantastic, smelling remarkably like a crisp ocean breeze rather than a heavy, cloying perfume. During my testing, I was seriously impressed by its actual odor-neutralizing capabilities in enclosed areas. Unlike the previous options that just try to shout over the bad smells with a stronger artificial fragrance, this gel actually seemed to pull the funk right out of the environment. The area around the laundry room lost that lingering mildew scent, replaced entirely by a subtle, fresh aroma that never felt overwhelming. It works exceptionally well for enclosed spaces, mudrooms, or damp basements where musty odors tend to accumulate and get trapped over time. Two, Air Wick Essential B075HP5G2D. Well, this is where home fragrance starts getting really smart and genuinely enjoyable to use on a daily basis. Instead of continuously burning scented oils or sitting as a passive gel block, this battery-operated device transforms premium essential oils into a fine, fragrant mist. I set this up right on my living room coffee table, and it completely elevated the atmosphere and aesthetic of the entire space almost immediately. The technology packed into this little cylinder is a massive leap forward for home fragrance. Because it operates entirely on batteries, you are tethered to a wall outlet, meaning you can place it exactly where you need it most, even perfectly centered on a dining table. The device releases bursts of mist at timed intervals, which prevents that annoying nose blindness where you completely stop smelling the fragrance after 10 minutes. The lavender and almond blossom scent I tested felt luxurious, authentic, and incredibly relaxing, lacking all the harsh chemical notes I hated in the standard wall plugins. My absolute favorite feature, and the primary reason it ranks so incredibly high on this list, is the smart Bluetooth connectivity. Using the dedicated app on my phone, I could set highly specific day-by-day schedules. I programmed it to turn on 30 minutes before I normally get home from work and shut off exactly when I go to sleep. You can even adjust the mist intensity directly from your couch without having to get up. This level of customization ensures you are never wasting expensive essential oils when no one is home to enjoy them, making the refill bottles last significantly longer. 1. Febreze Air Mist B08R4S15X4. You know, sometimes you don't need a subtle, slow-release background scent. Sometimes you completely burn dinner, or the dog rolls in something awful, and you need an immediate, heavy-duty rescue operation. I put this to the absolute ultimate test after a disastrous indoor grilling session that left my entire kitchen smelling like a greasy campfire, and the results were nothing short of miraculous for restoring my home. What separates this from every other product currently on the market is the proprietary odor clear technology. While others simply layer a nice-smelling perfume directly on top of a bad stench, this mist physically traps, binds, and neutralizes the actual odor molecules suspended in the air. When I sprayed it around my smoky kitchen, I didn't get a weird, nauseating mix of fake pine needles and burnt steak. The smoke smell was actively eliminated on contact, leaving behind a crisp, deeply refreshing, clean scent that actually felt like I had scrubbed the entire room from top to bottom. The spray mechanism itself is also wonderfully engineered. Instead of harsh, spitty bursts that fall straight to the floor and make your hard floors dangerously slippery, the nozzle delivers a continuous, sweeping, ultrafine mist. It hangs in the air beautifully, actively treating the entire vertical space of the room, rather than just the floor. It's also incredibly safe to use around most fabrics, so I was able to sweep it directly over my window curtains and the living room couch, where that heavy smoke smell had settled, instantly refreshing the upholstery without leaving any damp spots or sticky residue behind. It is simply the most reliable, heavy-hitting tool you can have in your home maintenance arsenal.